What's good, my people? Just another quick one of how much height does it add. I've got the New Balance 9060 here. This is one, as you can tell straight away, quite a chunky heel, etc. So people definitely want to know how much taller does this make them. This is based on a size, I believe they're 10.5, UK 10.5, so it could potentially vary. So I'm just gonna kind of show to give everyone a rough idea. It's quite a chunky midsole, sole even, etc. I've got my trusty little gadget, and we're just gonna, that won't be included, this plastic bit, so we'll take it from here roughly. I think I'm just gonna do it like that from every video. Oops, I shouldn't break it. So we've got in inches towards the back, about 1.89 inches, 1.88 inches, so that's about 47.9 millimeters. That will add on height for someone. Even like towards the front, it's quite high, so it's about an inch in height. Yep, over an inch in height towards the front of the shoe. So they definitely do add height to someone. So if you are, 6 foot, they'll make you look taller. If you're shorter, they'll make you look taller. Regardless, so yeah. Got a good, it was just a rough idea, so 1.4 inches, 1.4 inches minimum, about 38 millimeters and above, so good, let's say 4 centimeters of height it will give you easily, this shoe. So I'm gonna do this for lots of sneakers trainers just to kind of give everyone an idea. It's not going to be 100% accurate, if I'm completely honest, because of, again, sizing, etc. It's just more of a rough idea to give everyone kind of an idea how much height it could add and how, thick or bulky the bottom actually is. Other people would cut these in half and measure it correctly, etc. I'm not going to do that because this pair is going straight on foot. But yeah, let me know if you like this type of video. Of course, all on foot's reviews, everything will all be available on the channel, so just check it out. Click the notification icon, like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.